Anytime users log onto Facebook, they're asked how they are feeling. And now the social network is helping a study that's aimed at preventing suicide. According to The Verge, Facebook is giving some data to independent researchers through a partnership with SAVE, a suicide prevention nonprofit. The goal is to better identify warning signs of suicide. These researchers will study data from at least 20 people from an unspecified Minnesota county who have taken their own lives. Bloomberg reports suicide is the second leading cause of death among people ages 25 to 34. This is also the targeted demographic for social media sites. The median age of users joining Facebook is 22. CNET explains the collaboration is especially significant following the death of tech activist Aaron Swartz. As a tech activist and co-founder of Reddit, Swartz took his life after being accused of stealing 4 million scientific journals and academic papers from MIT and the archive JSTOR. He would have faced 50 years in prison if convicted. A Facebook spokesman said, "All too often people in crisis do not know how or who to ask for help. At Facebook, we have a unique opportunity to provide the right resources to our users in distress when and where they need them most." But Facebook has recently received criticism for tracking. Bloomberg reports users are suing Facebook for $15 billion, claiming they are being unfairly tracked since the change in the company's privacy policy. And some are wary of Facebook's power. The chief strategy officer of Future Brand North America says, "I would be careful with a program like this, even if it's for the greater good. They're like no other brand because they're so essential to people's lives. They need to be careful not to be seen as Big Brother." A writer for TechBlorg says in the past, Facebook, Twitter, and Google developed ideas with the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline, brainstorming how they can work together to help those contemplating suicide. He says, "Hopefully the results of this research will guide Facebook and other social sites in developing procedures that will get people the help they need faster, saving lives in the process." Bloomberg reports it will be a year before the companies have the data gathered. For Newsy, I'm Micah Sargent, multiple sources, The Real Story.